Hi, it's a beautiful day. Right now, I'm on the island of Todo, giving myself the chance to slow down. The ocean moves gently, the breeze feels calm, and for a moment, the noise of everyday life fades into the background. Being here reminds me how important it is to pause, to breathe deeply, to rest, and to allow your heart to be still. Sometimes, we spend so much time fighting battles, chasing goals, and carrying responsibilities that we forget how healing simple peace can be. If life has been heavy for you lately, I hope you find your own moment like this. A place, a day, or even a quiet hour where you can just sit, breathe, and remember that life is still beautiful. Standing here on this peaceful island, I'm reminded that God created spaces like this not just for beauty but for restoration. And I hope wherever you are right now, you find a little piece of this same peace in your heart. Bye.